Forgery saga. What Keyamo said that can help Atiku win Tinubu at Supreme Court. The Minister of Aviation and Aerospace Development, Keyamo, took to Twitter on Sunday to assert that President Bola Tinubu will be declared innocent of certificate forgery by the Supreme Court. Addressing the recent controversies surrounding Tinubu's academic records from Chicago State University, Keyamo emphasized that providing forgery requires either the document's creator denying its authenticity or undisputed evidence from a forensic report confirming deliberate attention on concussion by the person who issued it. He stated that without such evidence, allegations of forgery lack grounds in legal terms. Part of Keyamo's tweet reads, "You cannot allege or prove forgery except the purported maker of the document denies its authenticity, or there is contradictory evidence of a forensic report that categorically says the document was deliberately altered or concocted by the person who authored it or issued it." While Keyamo said the above alongside other things with a view to making a point that Tinubu will be cleared by the Supreme Court, unknowingly, he has revealed something that can help Atiku in the case. Atiku and his legal team are working hard to prove their claim of forgery against Tinubu, including going to the US and fighting through the court to get the documents they demanded. Following Keyamo's disclosure, Atiku and his legal team would not mind going to an extra mile to seek forensic experts to investigate and give a report on the controversial Tinubu certificate, since Chicago State University already said that it did not issue the certificate submitted to Nigeria electoral body. If Atiku gets this aspect right, he may succeed in winning the case against Tinubu. Keyamo, a member of Tinubu's cabinet, talks too much. Unknowingly, he has leaked a vital secret that will aid Atiku to win the case. There is an adage that says that it is not good for a man to talk too much. When a man talks too much, he will not know when he will say what will lead to his death or what is keeping him alive. When you talk too much, your chances of error are amplified. Keyamo has unknowingly given a clue on how to go about this case. Recall that Chicago State University don't issue certificates because they don't keep copies of certificates in school. Rather, they allow vendors to do so by issuing it. The only option for Atiku to win is to find the very particular vendor that issues the certificate, paraded that Tinubu, and confirm it from them. Meanwhile, we should know that Chicago State University has confirmed that Tinubu applied, admitted, and indeed graduated from the school with his transcript provided. Let's hear how Nigerians have reacted to this matter. Keyamo has lost all sense of humor of his professional tutelage. How can he argue that the third-party vendor must deny the certificate with INEC before it is forgery? Is it only the authority to issue such certificate that has to deny whether or not it is theirs? What authority does the vendor have to issue Chicago State University certificate in the first place? Another propaganda and sentimental assertion from Keyamo. Didn't the Chicago State University categorically stated it that vendors are allowed to print a result in US in the case of missing result? We should not be personal when we come to analyzing issue of this nature. Which one you dey, Festus Keyamo? I have often advised anyone relying on you as his or her lawyer in court. Anyone who does will certainly lose his or her case in the court. Keyamo's logic is lame, void, and hypocritical. The document was originated by the forger. Tinubu, the president of Nigeria, was never a student of Chicago State University. Therefore, the Chicago State University is not committed to whatever document Tinubu parades as the university certificate. Chicago State University has already disclaimed Tinubu and his forgery in the act. So guys, what is your take on this?